Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivarams. All these sarees are priced between 17,000 and it goes up to 35,000. Let's get started. All these are pure hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees in 3-ply weaving. These sarees are silk mark certified and the zari used is 1 gram and 2 gram golden zari weaving. We have some very exclusive designs and beautiful color combinations to showcase in today's video. Zari brocades, silver brocade weaving, tissues, very exclusive designs in bridal Kanjivarams. All these are very classy and rich and perfect bridal wear. All these sarees are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashanthisarees.com to take a look at the entire collection. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.